Hey there, welcome back to my channel. This is Rajendra from Pix and Layers, and today we will discuss about layers. Once you create a new document, you can see a background layer is created inside layers panel. In your system, if you are unable to see these layers, just go to window and make sure this layers is selected. You can consider this background layer as a white paper where you are going to draw or paint something. Now here you can create a new layer by using this option. If you click on this option, it will create a new layer. You can see we have created a new layer called layer 1. So what is layers? You can consider a layer is a transparent thin film which we can put over our document. So what is the benefit of the layers? Just to explain, I am just deleting this layer for now, and I am going to create or paint two different objects inside this document. So let's make a rectangle by using rectangular marquee tool. Select some space, and by using the paint bucket tool you can fill this. Now I'll use elliptical marquee tool and do the same thing over here. Let's choose a different color, and by using the paint bucket tool I'll fill this. Now as you can see, this both the object I have created in background layer. So if you do like this, and later let's say you realize that this circle is not in the right place, this circle should be somewhere here. So how to move this? If you use the move tool and if you try to move this, you cannot move this because this is the background layer. So just think in this way. You have a piece of paper and you have created a rectangular box and a circle. Now how can you take this circle out from here and paste it here? There is only one way, that you need to cut this circle out from here and paste it here. So what we can do is select the circle, take the move tool, and again cut it from here and paste it into this. So now once you release this, after that again if you want to move this, again this is not possible. So how the layer concept will give benefit here? So now let's consider you are having a blank white sheet and you are not simply painting over the sheet, but what you are doing, you will just put a transparent film over the document and then start painting over here. Again after painting the square, again you put a different film and then you start painting the circle. So in this way, if you try to move the circle, what you need to do, just move the film, that's it. So just do it here. I'm just doing undo, and then what I'll do, I'm just not simply painting over here. Instead of that, I am taking a different layer. That means just take a transparent thin film and put over your document. Then do the same thing. Take the rectangular marquee tool, put it here. You can either choose blue or red, take the paint bucket and fill it here. So in this way, this is your original document. This is the thin film over which we have painted. Now take another layer. That means we are taking one more thin film and we have kept over the document, and then we start painting over here. So let's say we have created this circle and use any color, take the paint bucket tool and fill this. So now you can see here, this is your original document, then one layer, that means one thin film, and then another layer, that means above that one more thin film where we have painted. Now if you think that we need to move this object, then what we need to do, just move this thin film. That means take the move tool, simply select this and move it wherever you want. So simple, right? If you want to move this, just move it here. So by using the layer concept, you can see we can move it wherever we want. You can see these eyes symbol which denotes the visibility of the layers. So whether you want this layer to be visible or not, you can just select invisible. You can say this layer is not visible. If you toggle this to visible, you can see the layer is visible. So I hope this layer concept is clear to you. So we are having different kind of layers, like text layers. Once you start typing some text, so you can see this layer is a different layer. This is not the normal layer, this is called text layer. So what is the benefit of text layer is, now whenever you want to type here, just double click here and you can start typing to this. So you can modify this, or you can delete or edit, whatever you like, you can do it. Then we are having shape layer. So you can create a shape and you can create a different type of shape, either circle or rectangular. So you can see this is a ellipsis layer. You can choose a different color. You can fill a stroke fill is black or green, then you can always go and select any color if you want. So these are the different types of layers. So in this layer panel, you can see there is a blending option. I have already explained what blending option does in a different video, so you can always refer to that. Then you can control the opacity from this option. So you can see we can make it transparent. So whatever opacity you like, you can make this layer. Then you can make the layer as locked. So in this case, you cannot move this part. So here you can see I can move this, but I cannot move this because this is locked. So you can lock or unlock the layers. So there are different options we can achieve from this by using the layers. We can also create effects by using layers. So you can see here are several types of effects which we can create. Like let's say if you want to control the brightness and contrast, so you can create a brightness contrast layers, and always you can double click on this and then you can choose what brightness and contrast you require for this. So like this, we are having several options which we will discuss in later videos. So I have given a very basic introduction to the layers. In coming videos I'll explain few advanced concepts. So thank you for watching.